Hello! In this video, we'll learn the AB word family. The letters A and B, when they are blended together, says AB. A makes the A sound and B makes the B sound. And when they are blended together, they say ab, ab, ab. Good job. Let's read some ab words. Ab, ab, nab. K, ab, k, ab, cab. T, ab, t, ab, tab. G, ab, g, ab, gab. J, ab, j, ab, jab. Ab, ab, fab. Good job. You're doing so great. Keep practicing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in another video. I love you.